Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to save money and lower your monthly bills, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share 5 easy ways to cut your expenses. Let's get started. 1. Make a budget. First, let's talk about making a budget. A budget is a plan for your money. Start by writing down how much money you earn each month and how much you spend. This helps you see where your money goes. You can try the 50-30-20 rule. Use 50% of your money for needs like rent and groceries, 30% for wants like entertainment, and save 20%. This way, you can manage your money better and avoid overspending. 2. Check your expenses. Next, check your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on each month. Look for things you can cut back on. For example, do you have subscriptions you don't use, like streaming services or magazines? Or maybe you eat out too often? Reducing these small expenses can add up to big savings over time. 3. Combine your debts. Number 3 is to combine your debts. If you have multiple loans or credit card bills, it can be hard to keep track of them. By combining them into one payment, you might get a lower interest rate, which means you'll pay less money in the long run. You can look into options like debt management plans or balance transfer credit cards to help you manage your debts better. 4. Cook at home. Coming in at number 4, cook at home. Eating out can be really expensive, especially if you do it often. Try cooking your meals instead. Not only is it healthier, but it can save you a lot of money. You can also buy store-brand products. They're often cheaper, but just as good as the name brands. Plus, meal prepping for the week can save you time and reduce the temptation to eat out. 5. Review bills and insurance. And finally, review your bills and insurance. Check if you're using energy-efficient appliances to lower your utility bills like electricity and water. Also, look at your insurance policies. Are you getting the best rates? Sometimes increasing your deductible can lower your monthly premium, which means you'll pay less each month. It's worth taking the time to shop around and compare prices. And that's it. Those are my 5 easy tips to cut your monthly expenses. Start using these tips today, and you'll see how much money you can save. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.